Hi guys, happy Tuesday morning. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Um, Sorry, my uh, mannequin is naked today. I apologize, but I am getting items gathered together for entries into our county fair, which snuck up on me faster than I thought. I was talking to a friend of mine and the other day about it, and she said, "Oh yeah," she said, well, it was for our homemakers meetings that I go to. I'm a part of our county, one of our county's homemaker group, and we meet the second Monday of every month. And I haven't been able to go because of all of this mess, but hopefully soon I'll be able to get back into it. But she was checking to see if I was going to, be at this meeting for this month. And I told her I wasn't going to be able to. I said, I'll come to the meeting in August. And she said, Teresa, we won't have a meeting in August because that's county fair. And I went, I just thought for a minute, I thought, okay, that completely snuck up on me. I thought I still had some time, and I thought I still had some time to get things together for it. 1 second, sorry, I need to move this up a little bit. Let me see if this helps. Okay, sorry about the movement. I was looking at that thinking that's not looking right. Anyway, so what I was saying was that snuck up on me. So I thought today I would just show you the things that I'm entering in our county fair and the categories. So one of them is a scarf, which, and when you enter things in the county fair, I don't know if y'all are familiar with things like that, or if you enter stuff in your county fair or whatever, but it has to be something that you made this year. It can't be you can't enter stuff in that you entered last year. It has to be something new. So one of the entries is a scarf. So I've got this fall colored scarf, and I'm going to put that in as the scarf entry. And then another entry was a homemade basket. So one of the reasons why I'm doing one of the reasons why I got involved in Things We're Making Thursday and Creator Spotlight is just so I would have a supply of things to enter in the craft fair this year. And it was a no-brainer. I didn't have to think about what I was going to make. That was one reason. The other reason is just so I could learn new stitches and challenge myself. But one of the other categories is a handmade basket. So guess what? My Give a Hoot basket, that's going to be one of the entries. A handmade purse. So I got to get a lining in it before August. But my lovely hexagon bag is going in there. We'll see how that does. Doily. A doily was another one. So this was the one I made from OM Granny Squares. And so I'm going to enter that as a doily. Afghan was another entry. And so I've had this on my couch for like 2 years. And this is a blanket that my friend and I made together. And so it's almost like a stained glass type. So I'm going to enter this one in as my entry for um whoops, as my entry for the Afghan pattern. So that's going in for the Afghan. Uh then my wearable, a crocheted wearable, and that's going to be the one I made, the Greek goddess wrap that we did for the Things We're Making Thursday. So this wrap is going to be my entry for the wearables. And then a crocheted throw was another one. And so I did Jennifer from Cinnamon Stitches. I made her Jacob's ladder. throw. And so that's going to go in for the category for the throw. And then I got to looking to see if there was anything else I could make before August. And another one was a holiday. And I thought, oh, and I remembered I had my gnome, year-round gnome book. So guess what? I'm going to be making this guy. I'm going to make the Christmas gnome, and he's going to be my holiday entry. So those are the items that I am going to enter into the fair. So that's what I'm working on. So the gnome will get done pretty quick, so that won't be a big deal. But something I finished last night was for the calendar, for my July calendar month. Some of you suggested a swimsuit cover, and some of you suggested a water bottle holder. So, excuse me, I found a really neat tutorial on YouTube for a water bottle holder, and this is it. This is so cute. I love the pattern. It came together quick. I got it done in a couple hours. It didn't take any time. But this is my crochet is my therapy, and it most definitely is. So this is where it goes in. And you can make this, it's very customizable to the size of your water bottle. So I made that last night. So that's part of my June or July, what do I want to say? July calendar project. Hello. Couldn't think of the word. But you can make the strap as long or as short or as long as you want. And this one, just that's perfect. Some people like to have them way down by their hips. I don't like it that long because it just goes bang, bang, bang on my side of my body when I'm walking. So I like it this length right here. And I found the tutorial on YouTube, so I will link that tutorial in the description box. And yeah, so that's what I've gotten done so far. I did watch Kayla's YouTube, and I'm going to work on it today. But for her Granny Square project, what it is you sew 3 sides of this and leave the top open, and it's a crossbody bag. How neat. So all I need to do on this is sew my 3 sides, or sew together my 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and then create my strap. And I will share this with you on Friday. I'll share the finished crossbody bag with you on Friday. I'm telling you, my little fingers have been busy this week. That's okay. Let's see, what else? I think that was it that I was going to share with you today. I'll share my gnome with you when I get that done. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Oh, I think that's it. All right. So, again, tomorrow we have to leave early in the morning and to head to for my MRI and all my other appointments that I have throughout the day tomorrow. So, I am going to get off here and I'm going to record my things we're making Thursday. I made another hat, so I will show that to you. But I'm going to go ahead and record it today, so you're going to see me in the same clothes. But it's just because I'm not going to be home to record tomorrow with all the doctor's appointments. So I'm recording my Thursday video today so that you will see that on Thursday. So got a little bit to do today, and so I'm going to get off here now, but I want to thank you again. I say this in every video because I mean it. I thank all of you so much for your support. I thank you for joining me here on my channel, and for making this channel our channel, not just my channel. And I appreciate everybody who's here. All of you who are sharing out my channel. I think we keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with the numbers, which I've heard that's normal, but it's kind of frustrating too at the same time, when you're really trying to get somewhere. But I understand it, so I'm okay. But ooh, we're more than what I thought. We are at 727, guys. So that means we're 23 away, just 23 more away from having our big GIVEAWAY. I'm going to start spelling that from now on. So, and uh, the watch hours are slowly creeping up, so keep that going. Just let my playlists run. Okay. Um, let's see what else. I think that's it. I'm not going to sit here and ramble forever, but I got a lot to do, so I'm going to get off of here and I'm going to record the Thursday video and get some more crocheting done. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. If you're new to my channel and you've watched this video all the way through, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Next week, I will be each Tuesday starting next week. I will be introducing a new stitch that I will be getting from the Crochet Stitch Dictionary. This book is by Sarah Hazel, and I will be choosing a stitch each Tuesday, and we are going to create a scrap GAN. I have got 2 bins down here beside me on the floor that's full of scrap yarn, and I have needed to use it up, so this is a good way to do it. So starting next week, every Tuesday, I will be introducing a new stitch for you to put in your scrap GAN. So get your scraps together and let's create that together. And some other fun stuff's coming along too, so stay tuned. So if you're new, thank you, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can work on a scrap GAN with me. I'm planning on making a queen-sized blanket. Or no, sorry, not a queen size, a twin-sized blanket, and to go on this bed that's right over here. And so I'm making a twin size, but you can make yours any size you want. And so I think that's going to be a lot of fun. I've had a lot of good response for that. So next Tuesday, we're going to be starting our blanket. Thank you guys again for being here with me. I will talk to you soon, and I hope you have a magnificent and terrific Tuesday. See you or this is not Tuesday. I just went through the y'all, my days are getting away from me. This is Wonderful Wednesday. You guys probably caught that way before I did. I told my you guys are going to learn. If you're new to my channel, even those of you who've been with me for a while, you're going to learn that my brain takes off in about 100 directions sometimes, and I never know what's going to come out of this mouth. But you get the real me. And I don't edit a whole lot in my videos because I have not learned how to do that yet. And so you're getting me, bloopers and all. So anywho, I didn't even realize until just now. I hope you have a wonderful excuse me. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. Because today is Wednesday, July the 12th. Okay, so with that, on that note, I'm going to get off here, and I will see you guys later. Check out my Thursday video tomorrow to see the next hat that I've made, and I will talk to y'all soon. Love y'all. Bye.